So let's do questions on logical reasoning section. So we have 3 statements given and we have 2 conclusions here. We have to tell them which one is definitely true, or if both of them are true, or if none of them are true, right? Like this. So let's do this. We have already understood this in concept videos and concept booster questions. So let's do this. All gold are platinum, right? So we have understood the diagram of these type of statements. All gold are platinum. So these are gold and all of them are platinum. Okay. No platinum is silver. So no platinum is silver. So the silver circle will not touch or cross this one, right? Platinum, or it will not go inside this also and will not intersect gold also. I hope you understood. Some silver are diamonds. Okay. Now some silver are diamonds. So basically I'll try this diagram, basic diagram, that some silvers are diamonds, right? Now please try to understand. We do not know the scope of diamond. We do not have any criteria for a diamond circle. So some silver are diamond. This circle can also go like this. Some silvers are diamond. So this can be diamond circle, or this can be diamond circle, or this can also be diamond circle, right? Because we do not have any condition for diamond circle, so it can go anywhere like this, right? Okay. Now conclusion first. Some diamonds are gold. Now tell me, see, this conclusion is telling us that in any condition, or definitely, some diamonds are gold. Can we definitely say that some diamonds are gold? Can we definitely so? No, because some silvers are diamonds can also go like this, right? So we cannot definitely say that some diamonds are gold. Please try to understand the difference. The conclusion can also be, let's say if third conclusion would have been this, that some gold are diamond, some gold are diamond is a possibility, or it could be all gold are diamond is a possibility. Then yes, it was a possibility that some gold are diamond, but this is different. It is saying definitiveness, that some diamonds are gold, definitely gold. So this is not true. The diamond circle can also be like this, so this is not true, right? I hope you understand. So we are rejecting first conclusion. Second, no gold is silver. So no gold is silver. Yes, we know that all golds are platinum, and no platinum is silver. So definitely no gold is silver. This holds definitely true. So only conclusion second follows, right? So answer would be B. Your answer would be B. I hope you understood this. Great. In a certain code language, routine is coded as this. Okay. How will this be written in that code? Fine. So the word is given as routine is coded as VM R, this is V, okay, R G F L I. Fine. Okay. So how can we think this, that R S T U V? So I guess it is +3 or +4. M N O -2. Then we have this U R R S T U -3. No, I am not getting any sequence here, right? So this thought process is wrong. Fine. So any other, that if what I do is okay, this is not right. So if I reverse them, what is happening? Let's say we have this L, F, G, R, M and V. Okay, is there anything that we are going to get? Now please try to understand. See, make sure you know this, right? We know A is first alphabet, E is fifth alphabet, J is 10th, O is 15th, T is 20th, 25th is Y, I'm sorry, 25th is Y, and obviously 26 is Z alphabet, right? So these are correct order of these alphabets, right? Now let's do this. See, R will be RST. R is 18th alphabet, O is 15th, T is 20th, so TU is 21st, IJ, so it is 9, NO, so 14th, E is 5th alphabet. Fine. V is what? TUV, 22nd alphabet. MNO, so 13th alphabet. R is 18, this is 7, this is 6, this L is what? LM, JKL, so 12th alphabet. I is 5th alphabet. I'm sorry, I is 9th alphabet again. Okay, fine. So, is there anything that we are going to get? Is there anything that we are going to get? Fine. See, I cannot have this. Okay, we have already tested this. If I do reverse of it, so I have already done this. 9, 12, 6, 7, 9, 12, 6, 7, 18, 13 and 22. Okay, fine. So is there anything that I am going to get if I reverse the order? 18, 9, 15, 12, 21. No, I cannot see simple thing here. But I hope you also know the reverse order, how to calculate reverse order of alphabets, right? So 26 is or Z is first alphabet if you have a reverse order. And how we do this? We subtract 27 minus correct order of the alphabet. So if I want Z's reverse order, I'll subtract 26 from 27, I'll get 1 as the reverse order. If I want T, so 27 minus 20, so it is 7. T is 7 from the last, this means, right? So if you observe here, 27 minus 18 is 9, 27 minus 15 is 14, 12, 27 minus 21 is 6, 27 minus this is 7, 27 minus 9 is 18, 27 minus 14 is 13, 27 minus 5 is 22. Yes, we have cracked the logic. Please add this approach in your dictionary. Please add this approach, that there can be a reverse order logic, right? I know I can understand that in first class you may not get this, but now I hope you have this approach with you and you will be able to use in upcoming questions or wherever you get this kind of questions, right? So it is all about reverse order, right? It is all about reverse order question. So this becomes simple now. CRUELTY. So what is correct order? 3, 18, TU is 21, 5, 12, 20 and 25. Let's have a reverse order. 27 minus 3 is 24. This is 9. This is 6. 27 minus 5 is 22. 27 minus 12 is 15, 7 and 2. So second alphabet is B. I can only see this option. This has the last letter as B, so there is no need to do this again and again. I hope you understood this. Or if you want, X is 24th, so that's it, right? I hope this is pretty much clear. Pointing to a photograph, a man said, "I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son." Okay, so that man's father is my father's son is equal to, okay, so pointing to a photograph, a man said, "I have no brother or sister, but that man's father," that man is whom? The person in the photograph. Okay, so let's have this person in the photograph, man in photograph, right? Man in the photograph, that man's father, okay, this man's father is here, let's say, okay, that man's father is equal to my father's son. Okay, so this person is equal to my father's son. My is whom? The man is narrating the story. So this person is my father's son. Let's assume that me or that person who is narrating is here. That man's father's son is equal to this person. I hope you're understanding, right? So in this case, this person will be brother of this, but it is given that I have no brother or sister, This means my father's son means the man himself. The man, right, who is narrating this story himself, right, because he has no brother or sister. So this person is equal to the man himself, right? Okay, now what is the question? Whose photograph was it? So whose photograph, the man in the photograph is actually son of this person or the man who is saying this, right? So his son's photograph was this. I hope you understood this. Pause it and do it again if you want. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting around a round table with equal distances. F is sitting opposite to E and between A and D. Fine. So F is between A and D. C is sitting to the right side of E and opposite of A. Who are the neighbors of A? Okay, let's draft it here. How many people are there? So 3 plus 3, 6 people. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. So these are 6 people. Okay. Let's make F here. F is sitting opposite E, so E is here and between A and D. So we can have A here or D here, or we can have D here or A here. It is between A and D. This is given. C is sitting to the right side of E. Fine. So they are facing towards center, right? If it is not given, they are facing towards center. Okay. So right side of E is this, towards this. Fine. So right side of E will be this. C is sitting to the right side of E. So C will be here. Fine. And opposite to A. So C is opposite to A. This means C should be opposite to A. So A is finally here. And we have D here. Okay. That's it. Fine. So who is left? B is left. So B is here. So who are the neighbors of A? Neighbors of A are B and F. Option D is the answer, right? Pretty much simple, guys. Find the missing number in the series 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. Fine. So we can see that they are multiplying because numbers are increasing, right, quickly. So there must be a multiplication thing. And if you observe, this is very much simple. 3 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So into 2 plus 1 will be 126 plus 1, 127. Quite simple series. A man walks 30 meters towards south, then turning to his right, he walks 30 meters. Fine. Okay, let's do this. Starting point is this. Let's say a man walks 30 meters towards south. Okay, so when we solve the questions, we have north, south, east and west as a reference. Okay, so 30 meters towards south. Fine. Then turning to his right, he walks 30 meters. So when person is walking like this, his right hand side will be here. I hope you are understanding. So walks 30 meters again. Okay. Then turning to his left. Okay, person is walking towards his left hand side will be towards south and walking 20 meters. Fine. Again he turns to his left. So when turning left, right, left will be here now, and walks 30 meters. 30 meters is exactly here, exactly at this point. Okay, so 30 meters. Fine. How far is he from his initial position? So from initial position to this position, this 30 plus this 20 is 50 meters. That's it, right? Okay. If the 15th August 2011 was a Monday, what day of the week was 17th September 2011? Fine. So 15th August was Monday. Fine. So what you can do, you can because this is just a 1 month, around 1 month thing, so you can simply do this also. 15 plus 7, 22 will also be Monday. 22 plus 7, 29th is also Monday, right? August is of 31 days, so 30, 31 and 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? So this is Thursday. 1 plus 7, 8 will be Thursday. 8 plus 7, 15 will be Thursday. Now we have 17th September, so 16th and 17th, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's it, right? Pretty much simple. I hope you understood this. Great. Or else there is another way also. 31 minus 15, right? How many days are left in August? 31 minus 15. So 16 days here, 16 days here, and these are 17 days. So total we have, or you can simply calculate odd days here also. We have 2 odd days divided by 7, odd days are 2, divided by 7, odd days is 3. So 2 plus 3, net 5 odd days. So 5 from Monday, 5 from Monday will be Saturday. That's it, right? This is also one of the ways. And when distance is too far between two dates, we should use this also, or this only concept of using odd days, right? You can simply add also. If you add them, you'll still get 5. How? See, 6 plus 7, 13. This is 3. 33 divided by 7. Again 5 odd days. Remainder is 5, so 5 odd days, right? Simple. In a group of 5 people, A, B, C, D, E, A and C are good in dramatics and computer science. Okay. B and D are good in physics and dramatics. C and E are good in physics and mathematics. D and E are good in physics and computer science. Who is good in physics, dramatics and computer science? See, if you read only, you'll see D has come frequently here. D is good in physics, dramatics. Okay. D is good in physics, computer science as well. Fine. Okay. What is physics, dramatics and computer science? Yes, I can say D is in physics, D is in dramatics, and D is also in computer science. And so who is good in physics, dramatics and computer science? Your option will be D. I hope this is pretty much. In fact, you can also make a table and do, but there is no need. Frequent usage of D can be observed here, right? That's it. Statement and assumption statement. Okay, so buy pure and natural honey of company X, an advertisement in a newspaper. Fine. So there is an advertisement in newspaper that you buy pure and natural honey of company X. So obviously this is advertisement done by company X. Fine. So what can be assumptions? What can be assumptions before making this statement in an advertisement? So will this be an assumption that people do not mind paying more for pure and natural honey, right? Is it an assumption? There is no mention of price or something, so this is not an assumption of that particular company while making this advertisement. Okay, no other company supplies pure honey. Is it an assumption of this? No, right? No, it is not given that buy pure and natural honey of only company X or by only company X. So this must not be also an assumption. So neither first nor second assumption implicit. Okay. Data sufficiency. Who is the tallest among P, Q, R, S, T? Okay. So in data sufficiency, what you have to do? We have this question, and using which statements we can give the answer that who is tallest among them. Fine. So S is shorter than N, not in group. Assume T. Oh, so you should actually assume this as T. Okay, so it is just to misguide us. S is shorter than T but taller than P. Fine. So S is shorter than T but taller than P. Fine. So from the statement 1 alone, can we say who is tallest among them? No. So alone is not sufficient. Now let's take second alone. This is how the process of solving data sufficiency. Right now, you should consider second alone. Q is shorter than S but taller than R. Q is shorter than S but taller than R. Fine. So, I'm sorry. Q is shorter than S. Fine. Q is shorter than S but yes, right. But taller than R. Fine. This is pretty much fine. Can we say from second alone who is tallest among the group? No, we cannot say from second alone. So this also not the option, right? Can we combine both of them and give the answer? Can we combine both of them? See, this is S is less than T, S is greater than Q, S is greater than and Q is greater than R as well, but P is also greater than S, right? So P can be here, or P can be here, or P can be here, right? So here we cannot say the tallest person can be R also and can be P also. So using both the statements, we will not be able to give the answer. I hope you're understanding what we did here, right? Okay, 5 friends P, Q, R, S, T are sitting in a row facing north. Fine. Okay, sitting in a row facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are facing towards north, let's say. S is sitting between T and Q. Q is to the immediate left of R. P is to the immediate right of T. Who is sitting exactly in the middle? Fine. So Q is to the immediate left of R. So R and immediate left of Q is this. R is this, R's immediate left is this. Okay, P is to the immediate right of T, P is to the immediate right of T. So these two should be together, these two should be together. And what is given to us? S is sitting between T and Q. Okay, S is sitting between T and Q, so TP must be here, QR can be here, and S is here, right? So who is sitting exactly in the middle? Who is sitting exactly in the middle is S. Fine. I hope you understood this, right? So they are just sitting between T and D. They are exactly one place, and so immediate right of T, immediate right of R. Have we satisfied? See, Q is to the immediate left of R. Q is to the immediate left of R. Very much true. P is to the immediate right of T. P is to the immediate right of T. Very much true. And that's how we'll be able to solve. I hope this is pretty much clear. Okay. Decision making eligibility. To qualify for a manager position, a candidate must be a graduate with at least 60% marks. Okay. Be at least 25 years old as of January 1st, 2024. Have at least 2 years of work experience. Candidate Rahul, so this is the question. Candidate Rahul is 26 years old. Okay, at least 25 years. Has 65% in graduation. Fine, this is also cool. And has been working since June 2023. So at least 2 years of experience as on this date. Is Rahul eligible on this date? Fine. So June 2024 will be just 1 year experience, have at least 2 years of experience. So the data inadequate or not eligible, simply not eligible, because to qualify for a manager position, candidate must be this. Is he eligible for manager position? No, because he does not have at least 2 years of experience. That's it. So not eligible. Only because of this point. Only because of this point he is rejected. Okay, inequality statements, right? R less than T. Okay, we want relationship between D and R. We have already explained this in our concept videos, right? These are questions we are doing, practice questions. Okay, so let's see. D, who will be connecting us? D and R will be connected by F. Yes or no? In both statements we have F. These are two individual statements. Okay, so T is equal to F, D is equal to F. F is greater than or equal to Q. Q is greater than E is equal to R. So between D and R we have same group of symbols, and priority, first priority will be given to greater than. So D is greater than R, or I can say R is less than D. So first one is definitely true. Okay, Q and T, who will be connecting us? Again F will be connecting us. So first statement is T is less than F, less than D, equal to F, and F is greater than or equal to Q. Greater than or equal to Q. So is it true that Q is less than T? Oh no, we cannot have a definite relationship between Q and T. Why? Because we don't have same group of symbols, right? Same group of symbols we don't have, and so no definite relationship. Second will rejected, second conclusion. Only first is true, and so we'll click here only. I hope you understood this. Okay, great. Again inequality question, I guess. Yes, it is inequality question. Y has Z means this. Okay, and these three statements are given to us, and we have given conclusions as well. Let's see how we can do this. Hash means equal to. Okay, so this means equal. Okay, this means equal. This means equal. Fine. And means greater than. Okay, and means greater. Do we have and here? No, we don't have and here. Fine. Dollar means greater than or equal to. Dollar is greater than or equal to. Dollar, we have dollar? No. Okay, fine. Only $1. Percent means smaller than Z. Percent is smaller. Percent is smaller. Fine. At the rate, do we have at the rate? No, we have already got all of them. Okay, so we want relationship between P and O. M is a connecting point. Let's see. O is greater than or equal to M, and P is equal to M. So this is how it is. So is it true that P is less than O? No, P is less than or equal to O. So this is not true. Individually this is not true. Fine. It is saying P is equal to O. Now just try to understand. See, I can write O is greater than equal to P, or I can also write it as P is less than or equal to O, right? Now first alone is saying P is less than O. We cannot definitely say it is less than O. Second alone is saying P is equal to O. We cannot definitely say that it is always equal to O, right? So alone this is not true. Alone this is not true. But either first or second is true. I hope you are getting this point. Either first or second is true. P is either less than or equal to O. I hope you understood this, right? So we'll use this option. Okay, find day of the week on 18th April 1843, right? In calendars we have already assumed, I mean we have already explained the concept, so we'll quickly solve this. We know up to 1600 years there were 0 odd days. So from 1601 to 1700 we had 5 odd days, right? 1701 till 1800 we have 5 more odd days. So up to 1800 we have 10, or divided by 7 we have 3 net odd days up to 1800. Fine. Okay, now we'll be entering into 1900. So 1801 till how many years are completed? 1842. We have completed 42 years. How many of them are leap? 42 divided by 4, leap are 10, and so non-leap are 32. These are leap years, these are non-leap year. How many odd days we have in each leap year? We have 2 odd days, so 20 odd days here, 1 odd day in each non-leap year, so 32. So we have total how many odd days? You can calculate individual also, or you can just add them. 52 divided by 7, so 7 7 49, and we have 3 odd days here. Okay, so we have 5 here, 5 here, and 3 here. Up to 1842 we have total 5 plus 5 10 plus 3 13 divided by 7, we have 6 odd days. Okay, we have 6 odd days up to completion of 1842 year. Fine. Now we'll be entering into 1843rd year. In January we have 31 divided by 7, 3 odd days. February 28 by 7, 0 odd days. March 31 by 7, 3 odd days. April we have only 18 days, so 18 divided by 7, 4 odd days. So 4 plus 3 7, just ignore it. 3 6 plus 3 9 odd days, or divided by 7 2 odd days, right? So 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, right? We have 2 odd days, so it was a Tuesday. You can cross check online that on this date we had a Tuesday, right? So I hope you understood. See, you have to fast up this calculation, you have to speed up, right? But for that you have to understand our concept videos, understand what concept we are using here, concept of odd days, and how you can quickly solve it using this method, right? So I hope you understood this. Keep studying, keep building your career, guys. Thank you so much.